This is Turkish channel and welcome to our new video. Today we are going to learn. Actually, this is my first grammar video and I'm going to make these videos as a grammar time. So don't miss videos. Because if you aren't a native Turkish or even you are a native Turkish, grammar can be a huge problem. So I'm going to start to teach you the Turkish grammar and you will understand the times and times conjugations. So if you have a problem, if you have a question, don't mind to write me on the comment section. Okay? So let's start today. I have 2 pages for you. We will learn the structure in words. Structure in words, not sentence. We will start at the beginning, and our beginning part is words. So, what is that? This is a plant, right? And what is this? This is kök. This is root of a plant. And also we use kök word as a smallest and meaningful structure of the word. But it must be related. What did I say? What am I saying? I say like this. For example, gözlük. Gözlük is a word in Turkish and it means eyeglasses. Glasses. Okay. What is the smallest meaningful structure of the word? Is göz, because göz means eye and eye is related to glasses because you put these glasses on your eyes, so it is related. There is a relation. So göz is our kök or our root. Okay. Another example, kelebek. Kelebek means butterfly. Butterfly. Well, what is the root of kelebek? Kel? No. Kel is this, not hair, not hair. Bald, I mean bald. Kel means bald. Is there any relation between not hair and butterfly? No. So kel isn't our root. It isn't kök. Okay? But kelebek is our root. Another example, kelebekler. In Turkish we use ler for make the word plural. Kelebekler means butterflies. Okay. Is there any relation between kelebek and kelebekler? Yes, absolutely yes. So kelebek is our root and ler is our suffix. So kelebek is our root. Another example, balık means fish. Balık means fish and bal means honey. Honey. Well, I'm asking you, is there any relation between honey and fish? No. So, bal isn't our root. It isn't kök. Balık is our root. What is the point of I'm telling you this subject, this topic? It's so important because we have suffixes or lots of addition. We will look at this, we will check it out, these additions, suffixes. But at this point, all you need is identify the root, because Turkish is like that. Once you find root, You solve the Turkish. You just take a root on your side and add lots of suffixes, lots of things, lots of additions. That's it. If you understand what does root means, let's separate two. İsim kök, which means name root, and fiil kök, which means verb root. When I was a little child, my teachers told me if you add make or mak suffixes near of the word and it sounds good, so it's feel. But if it isn't, okay, then it's isim. For example, my name is Melek and Melek mek, Melek mak, no, it doesn't make sense. Ev, which means home, evmak, evmek, no. Anne means mother, annemek, annemak, no. But if you add these suffixes into the verbs like git, it means go, gel, it means come, ye, it means eat, then everything is gonna be alright. And git is a verb root, gel is a verb root, ye is a verb root, because in Turkish we say make or mak for as to go, to come, to eat, to drink, to buy, blah blah. To as in English means make as in Turkish, or mak. I think you understand this. Let's another page. Okay. This is the summary. By the way, don't forget what does kök mean. Smallest meaningful structure of the word. Words that are both nouns and verbs. What does it mean? For example, think a kök can be a noun or can be a verb also. For example, eski. Eski means old or former. For example, eski filmler. Film means film, as in English. Filmler, filmler means films, films. This suffix makes the word plural, as I said earlier, and eski filmler means old films. Okay, that's useful. That's everything is great. We use eski as a noun form, but we can also use the same word as a verb form, eskimek. It means used. For example, kalemim eskidi. Kalem means pencil. Kalemim means my pencil. Eski is our verb, and this D means make the verbs past tense. Okay, my pencil is old, or my pencil just used, you know. And our other verb is güven. Güven means trust as a name, as a noun form. For example, güven önemlidir. Güven önemlidir. Güven our noun. Önemli means important, and this is like is, as a trust is important. Okay, but we can use this also in verb form. Güvenmek, it means to trust. For example, ona güvendim. Ona güvendim. I trusted him, or I trusted her. A third word is, for example, boya. Boya means paint, as a noun form. Boyalarımın hepsi yeni. What does that mean? Boya means paint. Boyalar, paints, plural form. Boyalarım, my paints. Boyalarımın. This is a quite important subject and we will look at this on the afterwards. Boyalarımın hepsi. Hepsi means all. And if you want to say all of my paints, in Turkish we say boyalarımın hepsi. This is all together. Anyway, yeni means the new. Yeni means new. All of my paints are new. And as a verb form, we can use this to paint. To paint. For example, duvarı boyuyorum. Duvarı boyuyorum. Duvar means wall. The wall. Duvarı. This is also an important suffixes, and we will look at these suffixes afterwards. That's why I'm teaching you the Turkish grammar. These are really huge problem, and I will be teaching you, so don't worry. Boyuyorum. Boyuyorum. And there are also words that are both nouns and verbs but not related. For example, eski and eskimek is related. Or güven and güvenmek is related. But geç and geçmek isn't related. Let's take a look at this. Example, geç means late, late. For example, çok geç, çok geç. It's too late, too late. But as a verb form, geçmek means go or pass. Karşıya geç. It means cross the street, cross the street. Karşıya geç. Well, are there any relation between it's too late and cross the street? No. So some of the words can be related as a noun and their verb form, but some of the words doesn't relate it between noun form and verb form. For today, it's enough. I hope you like the video. I hope you understood the grammar. If you have any question or if you have any problem about Turkish, please display on the comment section. I will be waiting for you. So take care of yourself until the next video. Goodbye.